In the fast-paced world of MVP development, design tools and rapid prototyping are your best allies. They allow you to visualize, test, and refine your product ideas quickly, without the cost or time of full-scale development. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Learning fast, iterating fast, and delivering value faster. Let's start with design tools. These are the digital spaces where your product takes shape, from wireframes to interactive mockups. Popular choices include Figma, Sketch, Adobe XD, and Whimsical. Each has its strengths, but for most teams building an MVP, Figma is the go-to. It's cloud-based, collaborative, and lets multiple team members work on the same design in real time. When using these tools, simplicity is your best friend. Start with low-fidelity wireframes, basic layouts that capture structure and flow. Don't worry about color, branding, or fancy visuals yet. Focus on the essentials: navigation, hierarchy, and core functionality. Once the layout feels intuitive, move to mid or high-fidelity mockups to add polish and realism. The next step is rapid prototyping, creating interactive simulations of your product. Prototypes let you test ideas before you build them. You can connect your wireframes or mockups so users can click, scroll, or navigate just like they would in the real product. This makes it easier to test usability, identify pain points, and validate assumptions early. Prototyping isn't about building a finished product. It's about storytelling. It shows how your idea works in action. For example, you might prototype an onboarding flow to test whether users understand your value proposition, or build a checkout experience to see where friction occurs. Every click tells you something about user behavior. The beauty of modern design tools is that they make prototyping fast. In Figma, you can link frames with simple interactions in minutes. Tools like Envision and Protopie go even further, adding animations and transitions for more realistic experiences. And because these prototypes are shareable online, you can easily gather feedback from users, stakeholders, or your team. Speed and iteration are the heart of rapid prototyping. Build, test, and tweak quickly. Don't aim for perfect screens, aim for useful insights. For example, if users get lost in your navigation during testing, you've discovered something more valuable than a polished layout. You've found what to fix. Another benefit of rapid prototyping is communication. Visuals eliminate ambiguity. Designers, developers, and stakeholders can see and experience the idea together. This shared understanding saves time, reduces miscommunication, and keeps your team aligned. When testing prototypes, always look for patterns. If 3 out of 5 users hesitate on the same screen, that's a red flag. If everyone completes a task smoothly, that's validation. Small tests often reveal big truths. You can even combine prototyping with analytics tools like Maze or Useberry to capture quantitative data, like where users click most, how long they take to complete tasks, or where they drop off. These insights make your design decisions data-driven rather than opinion-driven. Keep in mind that rapid prototyping isn't just for early-stage startups. Even large companies use it to test new ideas, redesigns, or marketing experiments. It's a mindset, one of continuous learning and improvement. Here's a quick process for using design tools effectively. 1. Sketch your concept on paper to clarify ideas. 2. Build low-fidelity wireframes in Figma or Sketch. 3. Create a clickable prototype that mimics real interactions. Test with users and collect feedback. 5. Iterate quickly based on insights. The faster you move through this loop, the faster you'll discover what truly works. Each iteration brings you closer to a product users understand, enjoy, and value. In the end, design tools and rapid prototyping are about removing barriers between vision and reality. They transform ideas into experiences you can test today, not someday. And in the world of MVPs, that speed of learning is your greatest competitive advantage.